Picture this: you walk into your home expecting to relax and unwind, but instead it feels tense. There is an argument brewing, or maybe just a heavy silence. Home, the place that is supposed to be your sanctuary, can easily become a source of stress. How can you change that? Imagine if a few small shifts in your behavior could bring warmth, peace, and happiness back into your home. Today, we are exploring the 7 rules inspired by Dale Carnegie's How to Win Friends and Influence People that can transform your home life for the better. Welcome to 10 Minute Success Strategies, where we dive into practical insights for improving your health, career, relationship, and spiritual well-being. I am your host, Dr. Avinash, and today we are focusing on relationships, specifically the 7 rules for making your home life happier. It is based on Dale Carnegie's timeless wisdom, How to Win Friends and Influence People. Let's dive into these 7 rules. Number 1 is do not nag. Nagging is one of the fastest ways to breed frustration and resentment in a relationship. Carnegie's advice is stop nagging. Instead of repeatedly reminding your partner or family member to do something, try to approach the situation with patience. One study found that people are more likely to complete tasks when they don't feel pressurized. Giving space can often lead to more cooperation and harmony at home. Let them take ownership without feeling micromanaged. Number 2 is do not criticize. Criticism is like throwing a match onto dry grass. It sparks quickly and can lead to much bigger conflicts. In any home, criticism feels personal and cuts deep, especially when it targets small habitual behaviors. Carnegie advises against harsh criticism, suggesting instead to focus on encouragement and praise. Constructive feedback works best when it's sandwiched between positive reinforcements. This builds trust and motivates others to improve without the sting of judgment. Number 3 is give honest appreciation. We all crave recognition, it's a part of human nature. Research shows that consistent appreciation improves emotional connections and long-term relationship satisfaction. Carnegie reminds us to offer honest, sincere praise. For example, instead of casual thanks, make your appreciation specific. For example, you can say, I really love how you made the effort to prepare that amazing meal tonight. This kind of specific appreciation isn't just about gratitude, but it's about making your loved one feel seen and valued. Number 4 is pay attention to the little things. Often it is the little things that make the biggest difference in home. A kind word, a thoughtful gesture, or even just remembering someone's preferences can transform the whole dynamic of a household. This is not about grand sweeping changes. It's about consistently paying attention to the small daily actions that show care. Some simple steps like cleaning up after yourself, making your partner's favorite tea, or even a compliment that can foster deeper connection. When we put efforts into little things, we create more nurturing environment at home. Number 5 is be courteous. One of the simplest yet most overlooked rules is basic courtesy. We often show our best manners to strangers or colleagues but forget to do the same at home. Carnegie emphasizes that being polite, using words like please and thank you, even with those closest to you, is a key to maintaining harmonious household. A study from the Gottman Institute shows that couples who practice politeness and kindness in daily interactions tend to stay happy over time. Courtesy isn't just a social formality, it's a way of showing respect and love to the people who matter most. Number 6 is don't make over your partner. It's tempting to try and improve or fix the people we live with. Trying to mold your partner into an ideal can erode their sense of self and lead to resentment. The reality is, the more you push for change, the more resistance you are likely to face. Instead, focus on accepting your partner as they are. Growth in a relationship happens when both partners feel accepted and supported and not pressurized to change. Couples who focus on acceptance and positive reinforcement tend to have stronger and long-lasting relationships. And number 7, don't be a marriage illiterate. Being a marriage illiterate just isn't about communication or day-to-day interaction, it is also about maintaining physical intimacy. Marriage isn't just about communication or day-to-day interactions, it is also about maintaining physical intimacy. Studies show that couples who nurture their physical relationship along with emotional bonding report higher levels of satisfaction in their marriage, making time for physical closeness just as important as learning to communicate or share responsibilities. It keeps the relationship vibrant and connected. So here is a quick recap. To make your home life happier, stop nagging, avoid criticism, show honest appreciation, pay attention to the little things, be courteous, and do not try to fix your partner, and nurture both emotional and physical aspect of your relationship. When you apply these simple rules, you'll see real changes in how your home feels like, a place where peace and love can truly flourish. Thanks for tuning into 10-Minute Success Strategies. I'm Dr. Avinash and I hope you found today's episode helpful. Remember, your home is what you make of it, so why not make it a place of joy? See you next time.